Take a look at this beautiful 1959 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. As you know, 1959 Cadillac is kind of the epitome of class and flamboyancy that GM used. All the chrome and the big fins. This is the look that a lot of folks are looking for. This car came to us out of a collection, a long-term collection. Gentleman had lots and lots of cars, and he kindly started to kind of thin the herd a little bit, and this is one of the last ones to go because it was one of his favorites, and you can see why. Now, as I mentioned, this is a Sedan DeVille, not a Series 62. So the Sedan DeVille has, most notably, some extra equipment, including power windows, power seat, and a few other goodies. So as you can imagine, especially on a four-door, the power windows are a very nice thing to have. So the car runs nice. It's powered by its original 390 V8 engine. And again, just kind of giving you an initial walk around here. Overall, you can see it's very, very sharp. We'll take a look at the interior now. Once I open the door, I think you'll agree with me. The interior appears to be original yet. Absolutely original. And considering that it's original, I think it's holding up quite well. The classic black and white two-tone. You can see there's a little bit of wear right there. There's your power seat switches. But again, considering it's original, in my opinion, I think she's holding up very, very well. There's your power window switches for all four windows. Odometer reads 55,700. There you go. The headliner is all up. It's not sagging or anything like that. Open the back door as well here for you. These cars are just so cool when you can really open up the entire passenger cabin like that. It is just awesome. Back seat does have a fold-down armrest as well. And again, the door is shut nicely and firmly with just a touch. We'll check out the other side. Now, you can check out all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can give us a call at 507-386-1726. Look at the rooftop there. Again, this is a Sedan DeVille, not a Series 62. As you're watching this, keep that in mind. There we go. Now, when you get up close to it, you can tell that it's an older repaint. It is a black car originally. It wasn't a gold one that was repainted. This was a black car originally. And you can see there's a few, like I say, the paint just shows its age in some spots. You'll notice the chrome does too. I believe the chrome is probably original. There is some light pitting on some of the chrome. Just so you're aware, like I say, you don't really notice it a little ways away, but you get up close, you do see it. The paint's nice and straight. I'll show you here. But again, you can tell there's just a little bit of kind of some flecks and different things when you get up really close to it. Otherwise, the car shows very well. Let me fire it up here for you. All right, let's see if she fires up here. All right. Again, it is powered by the 390 V8 Cadillac engine. Of course, this does have power steering and power brakes. Great car to cruise in, roll in. Let me tell you, I personally have a 59 two-door, and when you roll into town with a 59 Cadillac, let me tell you something, people take notice, and this one would be absolutely no different. So again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. Trade-ins are considered, financing is available, and this car does qualify for an extended warranty as well.